how to download and install Gimp in Windows 11. And for those who doesn't know what is Gimp, Gimp is free Photoshop alternative which you can use absolutely free for image editing. And to download Gimp, open a browser and type in Gimp. Website gimp.org, click into it and here click on this button download. Scroll down and click on this download Gimp directly and it will start downloading into your downloads directory. And once it's downloaded, open your any folder, click into downloads and you will see this Gimp executable file. Double click on it. Here select install for all users. Here say yes. Here select language, click on OK and click on install. And click on finish. And now in search if you type in Gimp, here will be your Gimp, you can double click on it and open it. And you have installed Gimp on Windows 11.